How to pay with cash versus card in Uber. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can use cash or card in Uber if you're confused about how to pay for your Uber rides. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, we will see how we can pay with card. By default, Uber lets you pay using a debit or credit card. So to set it up, you have to open up your Uber application, tap on your account at the bottom right corner, head over to your wallet. On the wallet, you can add a payment method. Tap on add payment method and then you could enter your card details. If options available, you could also link your PayPal or other digital wallet. So make sure you add your credit or debit card from here. After that, whenever you make a request in Uber, make sure that the card option is selected before you confirm your ride. So card payment is available in some of the regions such as USA, UK, Canada, Australia, etc. So you could simply pay with your card. But if you're wondering how you could pay with cash, so we will see now. So in certain countries, Uber will also let you pay with cash. So for that, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to go to the ride request screen. So here I will just show you how you can get. So tap on where to, enter your details, tap on payment method, and if the options is available, you have to select cash and then confirm your ride. At the end of your trip, simply hand over the cash to your driver, and the cash payment is only available in some of the regions such as India, Nepal, Egypt, Brazil, South Africa, Mexico and more. So make sure that you're in the region. After payment, you will still be asked to rate your trip like usual, so you could also do that. But here you have to remember that before you confirm your ride, you have to select cash payment. If you forget to select cash payment, you cannot switch during the ride. And if you do not see the cash option, it simply means that cash is not supported in your country yet. So always check your payment method before you confirm your ride to avoid any surprises. So that's it. That's how you can pay for Uber rides using both cash and card. And if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.